So here's our new water heater. There's the drain spigot down at the bottom. This one's a little taller and narrower than the old one. Comes with the temperature and pressure relief valve already mounted on top, and the hot water male connector and the cold water male connector, 3/4 inches. Okay, so I've taken off the two plates with the little insulation stuffing pieces that fit inside there. And you can see that this temperature up top was already preset to about 120. So I'm going to leave that there. And the one at the bottom was at 120 also, and I sort of backed it off to maybe 110. So we've cut our two pipes. This is the cold water intake, this is the hot water outlet pipe, and I'm just going to dress the inside of the pipes to make sure there's no burrs. This is a round file. Because the shark bite connectors won't work well if they have burrs that can damage the silicone seal. And just some emery cloth to shine up the outside. And I'm going to do the same thing over here on this pipe just to get them ready. So here, I'll show you as I actually make the shark bite connection. So this simply presses on until you feel it sort of click, and there it's on. This takes the place of soldering, so if you're afraid of soldering, and this is also a tight area to have an open flame maybe from a blowtorch, you can pick these up at your local hardware or Home Depot store. And this end will screw onto the water tank nut, like so. The thing I wanted to show you was this nice little horseshoe-shaped orange plastic tool that they'll sell you at Home Depot. And if you ever need to take off the shark bait connectors, you slide it on there and you press down here, and that unlocks the collar, and you can slide the shark bite connectors right off and reuse them, which is nice and handy. One thing you'll want to do if the dimensions of your old tank and new tank are similar enough is unscrew and reuse the drain pipe that runs across the top of the tank from the temperature pressure relief valve down the side and into the drip pan. That'll save you some copper piping expense, and you use some white Teflon tape here to make the joint nice and tight, and it simply unscrews. It's an easy remove and replace.